I just bought this 2019 Mercedes-AMG GT 53 and I'm about to go rebuild it. Back in 2019, this car rolled out the dealership with an MSRP of over $100,000. Mercedes designed it to be the perfect combination of luxury and performance, packing over 400 horsepower, a handcrafted interior, and technology everywhere you look. It's not normally the type of car you see someone rebuilding, and there might be a reason for that. The car arrived by a semi late last night, and after first looks, I knew this was going to be a challenge.
Oh, your fender's good.
But with all challenges comes a big reward. So this morning, it was finally time to see what I got myself into. This car is real dirty in here with all the dirt, and especially under the engine bay. I mean, the whole car's dirty, but like just caked in dust under the engine bay. So that's gonna be the first thing I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna clean this thing up. But stay tuned, as later in the video I have Hayden's exhaust. We're gonna put on a full Valvetronic exhaust on his CLA AMG. So we're gonna get that on, and I can tell you right now, it sounds amazing. And we also got a ton of clips of it driving on the road. So stay tuned for later in the video. But for now, I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up. Okay, little break in the video. We got Hayden's exhaust here. So he has seen in the last video, he has an AMG CLA45. And he got a full Valvetronic exhaust, catback Valvetronic exhaust. So we're gonna throw that on. We just took off the whole rear diffuser, and now underneath, it's all kind of flappy. The exhaust tips are flappy because these are actually fake exhaust tips. It's not actually connected to the piping, but we got everything underneath out. And now going under here, we got one of the braces out, brace right there, and we just have to take this brace out, and then we just have to unbolt the front here and then drop the hangers, and we're out. So I'll update you when we get all that done. Jeez, hella bug. But exhaust is hella stuck up in there. Basically the two clips, these two rubber things around this are stuck up in there, and we can't get it out. It's so bad. It is very stuck up in there, and there's hella bugs. You get under the car, gee bro, you get under the car, straight cooked. There's no way we rednecked this whole thing, strapped it up to the back of the truck, yanked that thing out.
Hey, can I have this?
No, because there's no room under it to pry it out, so we just had to hook it up and give her the beam.
So much for selling
to get
these
this thing off.
You wanted to sell it?
All right,
well, I did.
It's time to put
Get
the
off
new
my
one on. No, it's time to put the new one on.
Wait. Let it warm up.
Updating, we got the whole front half of the exhaust. Well, we got all the exhaust all the way to the back with the muffler on, but we're gonna be running these much larger tips. So I've got the Dremel here, and we're just gonna zip out basically just this lip piece. We're just gonna zip it out, and then the tips will be able to fit through there. And then it's just these tubes, and then we're gonna figure out the wiring. We'll update you on the wiring. We haven't got all of it in yet. Oh, we did cut down the little triangle pieces like this that were in here, but then to get the tips, we kind of have to sand down everything around it because it's got like this little lip on it. So yeah, basically just like that around mostly the sides, but then also cleaning up these edges. Major progress just been done. The tips aren't in all the way, but like a little sneak peek. So wiring, got the wires fed through the holes to the valves. So it'll be on controller. And then these pipes will extend up here and got it fully all the way down. But yeah, it's coming together great. Just have to cut out that side more. That side I have to do a little bit more to get it back in there. But then we should have this on in the next few minutes or so. What we're running into is that the exhaust tips can't slide in because it's on a little Y joint. And it can't slide in. So we're gonna just like mark up like a 1.25 inches. All right. So we're just gonna cut it here because then the exhaust tips can slide in more. And then the fitment is like perfect. We cut out hella in the back. So now, dude, I've got plastic all over me. So yeah, let's get this cut up. We just finished up on the whole thing. Here's a glimpse of it. But let's get a cold start up. Yo. Dude, that's a big difference. Let's give it a little rev in closed valves. That's kind of crazy. Open them. Yeah. Yo! Let's go, bro. That thing sounds sick. Yeah. Dude, it sounds so good. It sounds so good. Dude! Dude, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds so... Gee. The backfires, bro. The little burbles. Oh my god, it's just like dude, the burbles, bro. God. Jeez. Jeez. Oh my god. It is so much louder, bro. So yeah, we just finished it. It's like 2 a.m. right now. And it turned out so good. Bro, the thing's crackling so much. We're gonna get a rev. Jeez.
That upshift is sort of late. I don't know what's wrong with it. Gotcha. Nothing.
Okay, so I got this thing cleaned off. Now, the first thing I'm noticing, we have no coolant. The center screen doesn't turn on. That screen right there doesn't turn on. We're missing a ton up in the front. No power steering. And I actually need a new power steering rack. The rack is actually broken. So, first thing, I'm gonna go get some coolant. I already tested it. I put distilled water in it and it worked just fine. So they must have emptied it when they were inspecting it or something. But yeah, I mean, no coolant. So I'm gonna go fill that up so at least I can drive it. And then I have to figure out how to get the display on, something in the wiring or a fuse, but I'm gonna check that out. So just got all the coolant and now I'm basically running the coolant system. I'm bleeding it through with the scanner and I'm basically just adding more fluid as it goes, as it like fills up and as it like takes in more. Really just running it through, filling it up. And that's really all I'm gonna get to today. But then I'm gonna figure out the whole instrument cluster and all that's going on. Why this screen won't turn on. I've tried a few things, checked fuses, checked all this and that. Haven't found anything yet. I might have to open up the dash and take a peek under it, but hoping I don't have to do that. So I'll see how this coolant system bleeds and then order up all the parts tonight to get those on the way here. Just pulled out a fuse and it happened to be the one that fixed the whole screen. I was about to take out the whole dash, but yeah, now we got the whole screen working. All because of a fuse. I thought it was gonna be cooked. How do I turn this down?
The radio's gone wild.
Yeah, but that is actually all fixed because of a fuse in the passenger side wheel well. And now everything is working on the interior. I was actually about to take out the whole screen to check behind it. And it was all a fuse. And I swear I checked the fuse. But we got the fuse out. So now I'm going to go order up all the parts. Because this is all I can really do till I get the parts. So next time you see the car, I'll have all the parts for it. Back at it today. I think this is going to be the last part of this video. But I've really gone ahead and assessed all that I have to order. I'm going to have to fix up some of the wires here, brackets down here, sensors, pedestrian sensor. I actually was able to find some parts in the back of the car, which is going to save quite a bit of money. Basically left and right brackets for the bumper, and then also some more brackets for the bumper. And then this driver's side headlight is perfectly fine. But I also gave it a full detail, interior detail. And then, yeah, found those pieces in the back. But I'm actually going to pop in a clip. I was able to get it all running. And it's got some pretty sick rims. I've never heard of TSW. Car's actually got the sport exhaust, so it doesn't have a resonator. It's basically just straight back to the mufflers. So the pops and crackles actually sound really good. So with that, I think that is going to conclude this video of this part 1 of the car. Next video, I'm going to get all the parts in. We should have it finished next video. Basically just putting it all back together. So with all that, like, subscribe, follow along, and get this thing back on the road, up and going again. See ya.